In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute yourself on Zoom. If you're in a Zoom meeting and you want to quickly turn off your microphone so other people can't hear background noise, typing, or conversations around you, muting yourself is the easiest way to do that. It's a simple feature, but it's very useful during meetings, classes, interviews, or any call where you're not speaking all the time. Once you're inside your Zoom meeting, look toward the bottom left area of the Zoom window. On the lower toolbar, you'll see the microphone control. This is the mute button, and it's the main tool you'll use to manage your audio during the meeting. To mute yourself, simply click on mute at the bottom left side. As soon as you click it, your microphone will be turned off, which means other participants in the meeting will no longer be able to hear you. This is helpful if there's noise in your environment or if you just want to listen without interrupting the speaker. After muting, it's a good idea to quickly check that the button has changed to confirm your microphone is off. In Zoom, the icon usually updates visually so you can tell your audio status at a glance. That way, you can be confident that you're muted before continuing with the meeting. If you need to speak again later, you can return to that same button and click it to unmute. So the process is very straightforward. The control is always located at the bottom left section of the meeting window, making it easy to access whenever you need it. A useful tip is to mute yourself whenever you're not actively talking, especially in group meetings. This helps reduce distractions and keeps the call clearer for everyone else. It's a small habit that can make online meetings feel much more organized and professional. So to recap, open your Zoom meeting, go to the bottom left side of the screen and click on mute. That's all it takes to mute yourself on Zoom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.